Hello. Hi, everyone, and the people that are still here from the previous presentation. My name is Sema Gunes, and I work for Google's app dev team. We're a team specialized on app promotion for mobile-first clients. Today, I'm going to give you some insights into the industry and then some of the current challenges many app developers are facing, and then later on talk to you about how Google can help you overcome those challenges. So this slide is not news to many of you. The world has changed and is keep on changing. And I think many of you are aware that today we're managing most of our lives, work, dates, trips on our mobile phone using different apps. So we do not longer get connected, we actually live connected. With this message, I think it applies to most of you here today. We mainly spend, I think, close to 80–90% of our time we spend on our phone are actually spent within a mobile app. So this opens up a lot of new opportunities for many businesses to create their own apps and also to create a business model around their app. It's also becoming very, very crucial as a company. If you are a mobile-first company, you want to be there in the moment that matters. Let's say that you are a shopping app. You want to be visible when someone is looking to buy those Louboutin shoes, or they're looking to buy that basket that you're selling online. Or if you're a dating company, you want to be there visible when people are actively looking to meet other people. And in Google, we call these the micro moments. And my team can help you get visible at the right time in front of the right customers. So Google Play presentation was here before me. I'm just going to go through this slide very briefly and say that there's around 1 billion plus active users every month using Android. And moving on to the challenges in this great developing mobile app industry. So first, as there is more and more companies out there promoting their apps or pushing forward their gaming apps, dating apps, it's also becoming, at the same time, much more difficult today to gain visibility and to become discovered. You're not the only casual game getting promoted today, and you're not the first dating app. And it's also a big industry of new keywords such as LTV, CPI, understanding what is LTV, what is high value, how are you measuring it, what is your analytics. And when we talk about CPI and LTV, what is the difference between a cost per install and when we're talking about LTV value from the clients we have? So don't worry, I'm going to cover these topics later on. So first of all, Google can help you with the first challenge, which is to get discovered, get those installs, find your new users, and make people download your app. Google is becoming, or actually has become, the go-to solution to help you get promoted. As many of you know, it's also not just important to find a partner to help you find installs. It's also important that you understand the difference between a normal install and an install that is for more value to you. So you want to find people that spend more time in your app, you want to find more people that make more purchases in your app, or you want to find people that are active on a daily basis in your app. And our vision is very simple. We want our clients to have a simple way to find high-quality users and keep them coming back. And I do not think I need to oversell Google's platform here today, but what I do want to mention is that we can get you visible across the full Google inventory. So whether you want to be there when people are scrolling around in Google Play Store looking for a new app to download, or whether people are searching best new dating app, or whether people are searching to find the best casual game, or when people are playing game in another app where you want to promote your game. So pretty much we can get you visibility on search, Play Store, across our display network, on YouTube, and now also on Gmail, and on, so it's pretty much across the full Google inventory. And I should not forget to mention Universal App Campaign. You might have heard the name before, and you will hear it over and over again, especially from people working in the AdWords, in the marketing teams, because we have created one campaign. Within one campaign, you can reach out to your users and potential users across the full Google inventory. And this is a cross-platform campaign time, so you can both promote your Android app and your iOS app with this campaign type. And it literally won't take you more than 1 minute to set up, going together hand in hand with our mission to make it simple, right? And the next generation that is out now is that we can also, instead of just optimizing and creating a campaign to drive install at scale, we can also identify and help you identify those certain events that are important to you, which indicates a high-value user to you, and we can then optimize towards those events. So what it really means is that if you're interested to make more people subscribe to your app, we can use the subscription in-app event and optimize towards that event. Or if you're interested in people that make purchases, we can optimize towards that event. So events that you find are important and indicate high-value user and a positive KPI, we will help you find those users that have a higher tendency to reach those events within your app. And it might sound complicated maybe to map out events and then get optimized toward it. So again, we even made that simple. So there's 3 solutions you can use. So you can do codeless tracking with Android, which means you don't need to add in any new SDK to your Android app in order for us to track installs and first purchase. If you're working with Firebase, you can, with Firebase, map out first open, first purchase, and all events that are relevant for you. Or you can work with a third party, such as Upjust, AppsFlyer, Kochava, Chew. So if you're using any of these 3 solutions, you might already have those events mapped out. If not, we will help you get them mapped out, and then we can start running high-value, user-focused campaigns for you. I just wanted to quickly also demo how our different advertisements look like. So here you will see, this is a search ad. So when someone is typing a keyword that is relevant to your business, we are able to actually put forward your commercial in front of the organic list. And what is also new now in Play Store, we can also show advertisement on the recommended apps for you page. This is very, very attractive place to be. And it works very well for Android, so we do not have any slots in Apple stores, as you can imagine. So we're working really well with Play Store, because we do get a lot of good intelligence from Play Store and understanding user behaviors and what type of keywords they're typing, person interested in these apps, what other apps will they be interested. So we do get a lot of positive intelligence from Play Store. And then we have the display ads. So this is the advertisement we do in order to awaken an interest. So we run it on our AdMob network and display network. So usually we recommend people to use these 4 types of creative. So first one is, trial run ads is a new ad format where we can let the players interact with the ad or play the game you want to promote. We have the portrait video, which shows a full screen video ad. And we can help you get, if you do not have a video ad, we can actually help you get the automated video creation from our video creating teams. And then normal video ads as well. So we are big focus on helping customers find the right users by connecting to them by video ads. And then YouTube. This is one of my favorite platforms. I'm not allowed to have a favorite, but I really, really enjoy working with YouTube because you can be very creative. And if we're talking about the ad type on YouTube, as you can see, what's demo here. So all of you have come across these video ads, I'm sure, when you're using YouTube. It's that little video you see as a commercial before the video you really do want to watch. And if we're able to put this video in front of the right audience, they will be interested, and if they're interested enough, they can, during the time they watch your video ad on YouTube, they can click to install the app, install it without leaving the YouTube platform, and then go back and continue watching the initial video. So we have created a smooth way for a user to install the app without having to leave the YouTube platforms. And we do have a lot of clients we work with today. On this slide, you will see some of them we're working with, and I do also have some case studies I would like to share who use what we call the Universal App Campaign, where they're optimizing it for different events, as I mentioned earlier. So Trivago, for example, they were managed to find 20% higher user LTV than any other campaign. So what this really means is that we managed to help them connect with the right audience and with a relevant message to them and reach those high-value users for Trivago. And we did the same for the dating app Happen. So on the dating app Happens, we really managed to find the right target audience by optimizing campaigns based on people that subscribe to their dating app and based on people that view a certain amount of profiles per day, or based on the people that agree to go on dates. And therefore, we were able to decrease so they were counting cost per registration. We were able to decrease the price of the cost per registration, the price they're paying to get users that register for the dating app, by 68% compared to any other ad networks. So this was our slides I have to share today. Myself and my team are here today. We have Nimrod here, if you raise the hand, and Lalo here. So if you would like to understand more of how we could help you with your user acquisition strategy and help your app get promoted and find your most relevant user, we'll be more than happy to have a chat with you today or tomorrow, or you can email me at semagunes@google.com. And thank you so much. Have a nice evening.